What's going on, guys? What's up? What's up? All right, so the mantra OM saga continues. This is going to be a good one, guys. It's going to be a good one. A new wrinkle has emerged. Check it out. Let's have a look over at AM right now, or OM, sorry, down another 15.5% of the day. It was up like 41% yesterday, but it is corrected back down 15.5%, down 89 on the week, 89.5 on the month. Down 10 points in rank today, $704 million market cap. Volume's pretty high, though, 505 million. Yesterday was over 1.4 billion, though, in volume, if you remember, right? So there is that. Um, let's look at the mantra chart before we get into the news. Let's do that. Sorry, I'm just pulling it up here, guys. Oh, nope, that's the bubbles. My apologies. All right, here we go. So look at that drop off. Oof, Maron. Little bit of a comeback yesterday. Tried to come back a little bit. Green candle, and now we're back into a red. Looks like we are we're kind of hitting some resistance here. We're back down to 72 cents. I don't know, guys. On a day like today, it doesn't really look much like it's going to recover. Um, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Now, me personally, if I'm holding this project, I said yesterday, if I was, I'm not holding it. And I want to continue to emphasize, guys, I'm not holding it. I never have held it. I'm a completely neutral party on this situation. I'm just bringing you the updates as they come in, okay? But if I was holding it when it was up top, I would not be selling it where it is now because it's just no point. I would hold it forever in hopes that it would eventually go back up as opposed to selling it where it is now. It's just like an 89% loss. I wouldn't be doing that, right? So, very, very interesting. It's just kind of, at least it's bottomed, I guess, right? It's kind of bottomed here, but all right. So we got a couple of interesting things to get into here. Let's get into this article. All right, so OM token rises 30%. So it rose 30% yesterday. It's actually like 41 after the Mantra CEO token burn pledge. So they're pledging to burn tokens now. So the OM token saw a significant rebound after Mantra CEO John Mullen announced a token burn on April 16th, which was today. Mullen disclosed plans via Twitter to burn team-held OM tokens, aiming to regain community trust after a dramatic price drop. Dramatic is an understatement. Mantra's team token burn announcement has sparked discussions on its broader implications, including market recovery signals and renewed investor sentiment. Impact on the investment. Prior to the announcement, OM market cap declined sharply, losing over 5.5 billion in value. In response to the volatility, John Mullen promised to burn 300 million tokens owned by the team, aiming to restore community trust and market confidence. Quote, I'm planning to burn all of my team tokens, and when we turn it around, the community and investors can decide if I have earned it back. So their trust, right? Mullen suggested involving the community in future allocations, proposing a decentralized vote. So they want to start running a DAO. This approach is intended to engage stakeholders in deciding whether the team should reacquire these tokens post-burn. The market reacted swiftly to Mullen's pledge, with OM rising roughly 30% within 24 hours. I don't honestly think that the price went up 30% because of that announcement. I think that a large percentage of the price action on OM over the last 24 hours was because a lot of people just saw it as an opportunity to take a flyer on it because it crashed like 90%. So they were like, I'm going to throw a couple $100 in this and see if it goes back up. I think that's more what it was than anything else. Because I had a lot of people talking to me about it, and they were saying, I might buy a little bit just in case, right? But to me, it's more like buying Terra Luna while it was crashing. You're just trying to catch that knife, and it just keeps on falling. Where were we here? The trading volume spiked as community members and investors responded positively, although some experts caution against long-term impacts on team motivation. Ran Nooner from Crypto Banter cautioned, quote, "This would be a mistake. We want teams that are highly incentivized. Burning the incentive may seem like, yeah, I don't really care what Ran Nooner has to say, though, because he probably holds like I don't know, some sort of a vested interest where he'll lose money. He's kind of scammy. Comparison and long-term perspectives. This token burn is reminiscent of the Terra Luna incident, where similar post-crash measures didn't fully restore investor confidence. Market observers are closely monitoring Mantra's actions. Given the challenges in reversing such drastic declines, despite the temporary gains, the long-term sustainability of Mantra's strategy remains uncertain. While market interest surged initially, the ongoing discussion around the team incentives and strategic planning highlights potential challenges in the cryptocurrency industry. So what are they going to do as the team struggles to regain confidence now in the community? Now, I wanted to show you this, guys. CoffeeZilla. If you don't know CoffeeZilla, he does a lot of very, very popular YouTuber. He does a lot of videos exposing scammers and scams and all kinds of stuff like that, right? And he does videos basically investigating, like, getting to the root of what happened. So he actually did one yesterday with the OM team. So listen to this, and you decide for yourself. Personally, I found this absolutely hilarious, right? But yes.
Do you regret pumping the price? I guess I haven't gotten that from you. I don't know if you do or not. You see it as a mistake?
I mean, again, I don't feel like I or the team pumped the price.
You did, though. You sold OTC, then you re-injected it back in the chart, right? That's pumping the price.
I mean, I think we're gonna have to agree to disagree. But
wait. No. This is not a matter of agreeing to disagree. This is just a statement of definitions. Okay, pumping is when the price meaningfully appreciates, right?
Sure.
Usually, it involves somebody who's inside the token or wants the token to go up. They put in some amount of money to make the price go up. When you OTC dealing, you get some Tether or whatever you get, USDC, whatever. Yep. And then you say to your market maker, hey, I just want you to buy for the next whatever months.
Sure.
That is pumping the price. Yes or no?
Sure. Yes.
Okay.
I guess I would say
I don't want to force you into saying that, but
hold on. No. So let me just be clear. I would say that can have a positive impact on the price, or that would necessarily have a positive impact on the price. I wouldn't necessarily say that's going to pump the price. You can use bids to do a lot of different things. It can be to protect downside. It can also be to support to the upside. Fair?
Yeah, fair. But you're saying you didn't tell them to support at a certain level. So when you're saying protect downside, you're saying you never said, keep it at 6.
Discretionary. The markets go up and down. If you do it over a certain period of time, that can impact in both directions, right?
If you only buy up, it's going to impact in one direction.
Sure. But, this could also be about, hey, there's going to be unlocks or something like this, and we want to make sure that we're, supportive of that. People do this all the time where they raise
Is that why y'all did it? Because you knew there would be unlocks?
Well, I mean, we have future unlocks coming, right?
Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, but... Yeah, I highly recommend watching the whole interview. Didn't come off very well for the Mantra team, but as always, I want to know what you guys think. And listen, if you're new to crypto, if you only have a vague idea of what your exit strategy is, if you need help, if you need education, guys, in crypto and how to succeed, what we do over on the Patreon is we help people become better investors and traders in this space. So if that's what you want to do, if you want to learn to become more successful by a community of people who've been through multiple bull runs and can help you. We are one of the largest educational communities over in crypto, guys. Come on over, join the community. The link is down below. You can be there for our live streams every single day. We're live every evening. You get all your questions answered. We drop microcap gem videos over there. We drop educational videos over there. My buy and sell alerts, my updates on my portfolio over there. You get exit strategies, help with how you're going to take profits and compound your gains, passive income opportunities as well, node operations, DeFi staking, stuff like that. And on top of all of that, you also get to book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally. So come on over there, guys. We can sit down privately, have a conversation. We can have a look at your portfolio. Make sure you're not over diversified or under diversified. Make sure your portfolio is structured properly for maximum potential ROI. So come on over. It's absolutely free, by the way, the one-on-one coaching call. So come on over, book your one-on-one coaching call over in the Patreon community, guys. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.